Hey everyone, now let's learn about the protein synthesis inhibitors. So, the messenger RNA attaches to 30S ribosome. So, this is the messenger RNA which attaches to the 30S of the ribosome. Peptide chain is having the 1, 2, and 3 amino acid which is attached to the P site, which is peptidyl site. This P site is peptidyl site. tRNA comes, matching of codon and anticodon occur at A site, and the fourth amino acid get attached to the A site. Now, the peptide bonds form between third and fourth amino acid. Here, this red color bond is formed between the third and fourth amino acid. Now, all 1, 2, 3 amino acid will go to the A site. Here we can see all are present on this side, and these shift now there is shift of 1, 2, 3, and 4 to the P side. Firstly they were on the A side, now they goes to the P side. This is known as translocation. So this shift is known as translocation, and the process continues till the stop codon comes. Protein synthesis inhibitors are tetracycline, chloramphenicol, macrolides, clindamycin, quinprestin, aminoglycosides. So, firstly, tetracyclines, it inhibits the attachment of tRNA to A site. Second, chloramphenicol, which inhibits the joining of two amino acids. So, which two amino acids were joining? Third and fourth one. There was the formation of peptide bond between them. And the rest are MCQ, macrolides, clindamycin, and quinprestin. They inhibit the translocation. Fourth is aminoglycosides, act by causing misreading of mRNA codon. So, aminoglycosides, they act by causing misreading of mRNA codon. Now, tetracyclines. These are oxytetracycline, tetracycline, and chlortetracycline. The adverse effect of tetracycline are trick is Kapil Dev, kidney failure is there, anti-anabolic, phototoxic, insipidus diabetes or diabetes insipidus, contraindicated in liver failure, liver failure contraindicated, dentation and bone means contraindicated in pregnancy and children, not to be given after expiry, and vestibular dysfunction. Let's revise the adverse effect of tetracycline. The trick is Kapil Dev. Kidney failure, anti-anabolic, phototoxic, insipidus diabetes, and contraindicated in liver failure, contraindicated in pregnancy, and children's not to be given after expiry, vestibular dysfunction. Now, uses of tetracycline. So, its uses trick is Sri Lanka. So, SIADH, syndrome of inappropriate ADH secretion, R. rickettsia, I. granuloma inguinale, L. LGV, lymphogranuloma venereum, AN means atypical pneumonia, N. K means cholera, A. luminal amoebiasis. Now resistance. Resistance to tetracyclines is due to development of efflux pumps in bacteria. Now, chloramphenicol. So, chloramphenicol is a protein synthesis inhibitor. It inhibits joining of two amino acids. That's its mechanism of action. Adverse effects are bone marrow depression, gray baby syndrome, hypersensitivity reactions, irritative effects, and superinfections. Macrolide. They inhibit the translocation. So the drugs are erythromycin, clarithromycin, rosithromycin, azithromycin, and spiramycin. Now azithromycin, it is second line drug to penicillin, very long acting, non-microsomal enzyme inhibitor, fewer drug interactions, and vice versa in other thrombomycin. So azithromycin is second line drug to penicillin, very long acting, non-microsomal enzymes inhibitor, and fewer drug interaction. Adverse effect of macrolides are trick is macro, stimulate motilin receptor, allergy, cholestasis or contraindicated in pregnancy, reversible, and autotoxicity. Now, the aminoglycosides. So, mechanism of action is they inhibit the protein synthesis, cause misreading of mRNA, they affect the permeability, ions, amino acids, and even proteins leak out, followed by bacterial cell death. Now, the drugs are streptomycin, gentamicin, neomycin, and tobramycin. Streptomycin is first line anti tubercular drug. Gentamicin, neomycin causes the hepatic coma, and last one is tobramycin. Now, the toxicities or adverse effect of aminoglycosides are ototoxicity, auditory and vestibular, auditory maximum by amikacin and vestibular maximum by streptomycin, while the nephrotoxicity maximum by neomycin and the neuromuscular blockade maximum by neomycin. So, ototoxicity, nephrotoxicity, and neuromuscular blockade are the adverse effect of aminoglycosides.